Hello everyone! Today I will be presenting an example of data analysis in Power BI. This is one of our reports which we are using in daily basis. On the first page we have information about hours by clients and hours by persons. Top of the page is dedicated for key factors and slicer selection. In slicer selection we can switch between two types of filters. All visuals are interactive, which allow us to better analyze data. On the second page we have two categories, A and B, in percentage terms. Next up is dedicated to show us a few types of information. For example, this chart is showing us number of tasks, this green line, in relation to number of hours, this blue bars. Below table is presenting number of hours by client and status. Last page contains two visuals, area chart and table. On the first visual we have number of hours by month. In the table more detailed data is presenting, like number of hours by person and per day. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question regarding Power BI, feel free to contact us. See you later.